Hello everyone, College Dekho is back with yet another video for all of you MBA aspirants out there. In this video, we will give you the details of the third slot of SNAP 2020 which was conducted today on January 9th, 2021. Slot 3 of SNAP 2020 was conducted from 11 am to 12 noon today in 94 cities across India. It was conducted as a computer-based test as per the new exam pattern with 60 questions carrying 1 mark each. The exam had negative marking and 0.25 marks were deducted for every incorrect question. The duration of SNAP was reduced to 1 hour this year. Slot 3 of SNAP 2020 was conducted along the same lines as the previous two slots. There were 15 questions in the English section, 20 in Quant and 25 in the reasoning section. There was no sectional time limit and students were allowed to switch between the sections in the exam. There were some important highlights of Slot 3 of SNAP 2020. For instance, there were no RC questions in the English section. The Quant section was relatively lengthy and tricky, and there were 2 questions of data interpretation. Students reported that the difficulty level of SNAP 2020 Slot 3 was higher than both Slot 1 and Slot 2. The overall difficulty level of the exam was between moderate to difficult. Let us now take a look at the section-wise analysis of SNAP Slot 3. The English section was easy to moderate, while the difficulty of both Quant and reasoning were of the moderate level. In this exam, the quantitative section was tricky and the English section was relatively lengthy. Let us now take a look at the number of good attempts in the exam. As per our analysis, an attempt of around 12 to 13 questions in general English is quite good. For the Quant section, the number of good attempts is around 14 to 15, whereas in the analytical section, the number of good attempts is around 17 to 19. Overall, an attempt of around 43 to 48 can be considered fairly good in the Slot 3 of SNAP 2020. Now we will discuss the expected percentile of SNAP 2020. With a score of 43, you can easily get the 99th percentile, whereas 36 marks will help you achieve the 90th percentile. If you score marks close to 29, your percentile will be 80, and with about 20 marks, you will get the 70th percentile. With this, SNAP 2020 comes to a close as all the slots of the exam have been conducted. Stay tuned to College Dekho to know more about SNAP as well as other MBA entrance exams in India. Send your queries through the Q&A section or call on the toll-free student helpline number 1800-572-9877.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.